Hi everybody, welcome back for step 7, and here we have our card, and we are using some of the same techniques on this card, so it should go pretty quickly. I'm going to use that crumpled tissue paper and paint that again. So let's get right at this. Put this over here. Okay, take your card, folds going at the top, and then I have about an 8-inch square of tissue. Once again, we're going to wrinkle it, but not into a ball. Just want it kind of compressed. And then we're going to take the glue, and this time I don't need to put it on a thick, oh come on glue, I don't need to put it on as thickly or as thinly as I did for the box top. We want this to be a little chunkier, so just sort of putting it, there we go, on and here enough to tack this down, and the paint is really going to do most of the work. All right, there we go. So I'm going to take this, and on this one, we just want to make sure that the paper is kept within the borders of the card. All right. All right, now we're going to take, so pretend that has dried for about 10 minutes. And we're just going to go ahead, put some paint on here. And what I like about using this white tissue paper on here and the white card is if you don't get everything covered, that's totally fine, because it's on a white card and that white tissue paper just blends right in. Okay, whew. A little puffier than I would like. I'll have to kind of push this down a little bit more. There we go. Okay, now go ahead and let that dry. And we want it very dry, so you can even just give it a shot with that warm hair dryer. Be careful, you are dealing with paper, so not high. All right, and we're going to come back with this is nice and dry, and we're going to do a little ink on there. See, come back for step 8.